it off the tripod?
No.
I want to show the underside of the bus. What are you doing? It's not very nice. Let me see. Alright, check out the view. Alright. Oh goodness, hang on.
Hang on me or hang on your video?
Hang on the video.
Your hair is out.
I know, my hair fell down, my ponytail fell down. Alright, I don't know if we can see this. This bolt. Where is it? Stuck. This bolt. That bolt right there. Right there. That little fucker is giving me a hard time. But, as you can see, it's not entirely easy. That's the next set. That's the front set. But there's a hole. You can't see. But anyways. Oh god, I'm stuck. Just in case you wanted to see what the underside of a bus looked like. That's it. I'm lying on my goggles. I can't pause it.
Need help out?
Are you videoing me?
Yeah.
You're dragging me out of the bus. I'm sitting on my hair. What are you doing? Help me sit up, turd. Alright.
So we've got back two and that one out. And they're just in our yard.
You laughing at me? Look at this. Ew! Gross! Caterpillar guts.
Ew!
Yeah. How dirty I am. Clean me off. Clean me off!
I can't. I'm not gonna be able to get all that off.
How many seats did we get?
2.
No, we got another one, didn't we?
On Sunday,
Look at.
we got 2 seats out. 3 in total. We've got like 3 seats almost out. Sun glare.
Alright. I'm gonna take a shower. Now we can go shopping. Sun flare, ooh.
Sun flare, ooh.
So we got 3 seats out. And then we have 3 seats almost out. We just
4
need
seats
to...
almost out.
4 seats almost out. We just have to angle grind. Or get an angle grinder and get the bolt off because it's not coming off because it's super stubborn. And it's just rusted in place, so that's not very good. Not bad. It's coming along. After we get the seats out though, we want to start getting the roof off. And it's easy though because they're all screws instead of rivets. It'll be a lot easier than having to drill out the rivets and then however that works, I don't know. So I'm glad that they're screws, but you know, what do you think?
I'm tired. I'm dirty.
Time to take a shower. Look at this. Look at filthy.
Ew.
Yeah, that's what happens when you crawl underneath the bus. But yeah, this will be our new little RV. I'm so excited about it. And just for all those ladies out there, if you don't think that you can do something, you totally can. You just got to do it. Put your mind to it and do it. And it's and it's easy to do. What? Why are you laughing? Are you not a badass? Are you not a badass? So in this clip here, we had to stop what we were doing, take a break, because the angle grinder that I bought was a cordless and not very powerful. So we kind of pause and Alexis peels off all the stickers. And then when she's done peeling off the stickers, we take a break and run down to Home Depot and pick up a new angle grinder.
Hold on.
You got all the letters off. It's just a school bus in the front now. You gotta pick up the crumbs.
That's your job.
Nah. I'm supervisor. I'm the job site supervisor. I'm
Supervisor who can't even buy a decent angle grinder.
I can buy it. I just, you know, went with the benefit of the doubt. Okay, puppy. What? Hello?
I just see the drill going through the window.
You saw that? Here we get to use the angle grinder for the rusty nuts and bolts that I couldn't get out with the impact wrench. It was pretty fun. All right, guys, we've got more seats out. Check it out. All the space. I'm gonna leave this one for now in case Alexis needs to ride around with me in the bus, because, you know, seatbelt laws and all. It's still technically a bus. So we've got 1, 2, well, and then whatever this little protector is, need to have that come out. But yeah, we're making progress and I'm super excited. Alright, I can see 2 there, maybe 2 up there, maybe 2 right there. Okay, just go. No, it's not yet, almost. Keep going. Alright. Yeah, you get what I was saying? Try it. Okay, try it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go! It's cramping. My hand is in the way of it. Okay, try it. Go, 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 go! Alright. Turn it a little bit. Alright, get it and go. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Alright, next one.
Are you sure we got that one out?
Yep, next one. This was very satisfying. Alright, guess what that means? All the seats are out! Except for the one that Alexis is gonna ride around in. But check it out! I'm not gonna say it was easy, but holy crap. They even got the guards, this one and this one. Gotta take that railing off still. But check it out! I'm exhausted. There's a big old pile of them back here. So we take the covers off, and the stuffing and stuff like that, and then we're gonna take the metal that's on the inside and, you know, all the metal that's on the roof, and then the walls, and take all that to the scrap yard and scrap it, or like turn it in for money or however that works, and then just take the other stuff to the dump. But yeah, I think the hardest part is over. Maybe the hardest part has just begun. I'm not sure, but it was easier than I thought it was, but it was extremely difficult. I don't know if that means anything, but if you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to ask. I'm a rookie myself. I just learned all this stuff by watching YouTube videos and reading blogs and stuff like that, but I'm pretty handy with tools. You know, I've done a lot of DIY myself with my dad and stuff. So I'm not a new time tool user by any means, but some things are new. But this was definitely a difficult but satisfying job. So more to come.